How do non-executives negotiate surprisingly high severance packages? Imagine walking into a negotiation not expecting much but walking out with a package that surprises everyone. That's what some non-executive employees manage to do when it comes to severance. It might seem unusual because severance packages are often linked to top executives, but non-executives can also secure impressive deals. The key is understanding how to use their position and legal rights to their advantage. First, they look for ways to increase their leverage. For example, if they have a strong performance record, or if their termination could be seen as wrongful or discriminatory, they can use that as a bargaining chip. If an employer fears legal action or reputational damage, they might prefer to settle quickly with a generous severance. Documenting their work history and any adverse actions taken against them can make this case stronger. Next, knowing what is standard in their industry helps. If typical severance is 2 for weeks, pay per year of service, a non-executive can push for more, especially if they have been with the company for many years or if circumstances warrant it. Researching these norms gives them a solid foundation for negotiations. Beyond just money, they can negotiate for extended benefits. This includes health insurance coverage beyond the minimum required, like paying COBRA premiums for 6 to 12 months. They might also ask for outplacement services to help find a new job or for stock options to vest faster. These benefits add real value to the overall package. Presenting a clear, fact-based case is essential. They should highlight their contributions, tenure, and any legal risks the employer faces. Framing requests as mutually beneficial, such as offering to help with a smooth transition or agreeing to a non-disparagement clause, can make employers more willing to negotiate. Getting legal and financial advice is also smart. Employment lawyers can spot unfair terms or overly broad legal releases, while financial advisors can explain tax implications and payout structures. This helps non-executives avoid signing away important rights or accepting unfavorable terms. When proposing a counteroffer, it's best to be strategic. Instead of accepting the first offer, they should suggest additional weeks of pay, extended benefits, or other concessions that work for both sides. This shows they are serious and prepared. Finally, all agreements should be in writing. Verbal promises are risky because they can be forgotten or denied later. Having everything documented ensures clarity and protects their interests. In the end, non-executives can negotiate surprisingly high severance packages by understanding their legal rights, knowing industry standards, focusing on benefits beyond pay, communicating effectively with evidence, seeking expert advice, and making thoughtful counteroffers. These steps, rooted in employment law principles, help them secure better terms than they might initially expect.